Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Contacts to LinkedIn for organized networking step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Contacts website. Log into your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, locate and select the contacts you want to connect with LinkedIn. If you want to export all your contacts, click on the More option at the top. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose the contact group or select all contacts. Select the format for exporting, preferably Google CSV. Click on the Export button to download the file to your computer. Now, open a new tab and go to LinkedIn's website. Log in to your LinkedIn account. In the top menu, click on My Network. On the left side of the page, click on Connections. Next, look for the Add Connections button. From there, choose the option to import your contacts. Select the Upload a File option and locate the CSV file you downloaded from Google Contacts. After selecting the file, click on Upload. LinkedIn will then process the contacts. Once done, you will see a list of your contacts ready to connect. Review the list and select the ones you want to connect with. Click on the Connect button next to each contact. Personalize the connection request if desired. After sending the requests, return to your LinkedIn homepage. Regularly check for connection acceptance notifications. Organize your new connections by using tags or notes in LinkedIn. Now you have successfully connected your Google Contacts to LinkedIn for better networking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.